Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix blurry photos on Facebook. So let's have a look now. At first, open up the Facebook mobile app. Tap on the menu button at the upper right corner of the screen and then click on Settings. Scroll down a bit and under Preferences, tap Media. And now under Video Quality, you will see these two options. The first option is Optimized, adjust the resolution to network conditions. And the second option is Data Saver, lower the resolution for all videos. So if you have set this to Data Saver, that's why all the videos and stories look bad, because Facebook is using less data and therefore less quality. To fix that, simply select Optimized, and now the video quality will be in good condition and will be adjusted according to internet speed. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.